back to the YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing right. Today I'm gonna share the journey from Cotonou to the Babstock. So generally Babstock is also called as the lonely planet of Cotonou. So how interesting, isn't it? So today the total travel time might be around 11 kilometers to 12 kilometers from Cotonou. And to the right side, if we might see, this is an airport of Cotonou, and we are on the road of Route de Brèche. So, hopefully the view is probably good, because like in 1 to 3 hours, it might rain probably. So, looking forward as soon as possible to reach 11 kilometers. To the left we have the beautiful view of the Atlantic Ocean right there. Wow. Today me sitting as a pillion and Sustain is on the road track. Good to see the climate is like peaceful, waiting at the signal. Hopefully reach the place soon. Of this video, I have told you guys like why is it called as a lonely planet of Cotonou. So if you guys want to know why is it called as a lonely planet of Cotonou, be sure to watch until the end of this video, because this hidden gem is located near the Route des Peaches, is on the edge of the lagoon. So hope you guys see this video until the end. Currently, I want to share this thing to cover 11 kilometers. Basically, we cruise at 80, 90, probably 100. But my Sustain is covering it in 120, 130. He's cruising at the range of 130 kilometers per hour. I'm going to show you this dashboard. Have a look of this dashboard. See guys, he's cruising continuously at 120 kilometers per hour. That is insane on this road, basically. I probably think, but sitting in this car, I don't feel like we are cruising at 120. But looking at the odometer of the car, I feel somewhat scared. But while cruising at 120 kilometers per hour, so we have almost probably covered 7 to 8 kilometers. We'll be reaching the destination on next 3 to 4 minutes. Catch you guys at the destination. This is a place where you can find almost 1 kilometer of a coconut plantations all over the beach coast, because this scene probably I'll take it when I get down of the car. So hope you guys like this view also. Right now, like we have reached our destination. Oh, that's an insane pull. Have a look, because we have reached the hidden gem location near the Route des Peaches. So this is the edge of the lagoon. That's a bumpy stick. We see a crowd. We see more crowd, I guess so. So hope we place a mask out there. So you can see that's the name of the dock, Babstock. So this Babstock is basically provided by CFO, that is a Toyota car company. Toyota and Yamaha produces this Babstock. We probably see like 4 to 5 cars right over here. So let's hope for the best. Thank you. I'll catch you back. Guys, have a look of this. This is a place which is officially sponsored by Yamaha and by CFAO. So this is called Babs Dock. You can have a look of this. Entering into this Babs Dock, and I found this awesome tribal painting out here. Like, have a look. I don't know what does this represent or right over here. Let's have a look. Oh, this looks cool, man. That's a murky water which we could probably find out here. Let's catch up in that thick mangrove forest, which we are probably gonna go in next few seconds or few minutes because the boat hasn't arrived yet. I can hear the sound. Hey guys, catch out this place, and I am gonna show you this moto coming right from this place. Oh, cool, man. That is what we get right from here. So probably gonna catch you in that ride. Bonjour. Bonjour. So guys, like this official thick mangrove forest ride has been started. Oh. 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 Cool, bro. Oh, this is so deep that I'm gonna. Hopefully, this is so good. And I'm just getting scared of it. Like, I'm sitting in the front row. The what? And we are being assisted by another family. I'm probably there is no permission for them to show up. Sure, why this boat is going down. I probably feel scared, like this. Like, you guys can see this reaction on my face. Oh god, this boat has stopped. I have no clue what it's going. Have a look into the deep thing, yaar. Ow, ow, oh my god. You probably could get to know the reason why I call it as a hidden gem of Cotonou. Have a look, guys. We are into the peaceful location of this, and I'm gonna show you where is this place called as Babs Dock. Probably see the view if you guys could see. I'll just brighten up, and we got to see this view, and that's the other family what it is assisted by us. Actually, for the first time when I visited this place, and the place right I visited it after a month ago. That is for the second time I'm coming to this place, and I can see that the water level has rose, because I don't know the reason. Okay, catch this out. You have a backwater, you have a farm, you got a fresh coconut over there, and you got a boating place right over there. If you guys guess if we are probably catching out there, that is true. We are gonna catch out there. I guess it's going slow because we guess we have the less customer rate today. I don't know, because it's the only place which opens on the weekends, like probably Saturday and Sunday, and the entry fee for this Babs dog is like 2,500 per head, which is pretty decent, affordable for the boat rides and as well as the car parking. That's true, guys. And the climate is so pretty good today. Have a down view, which is probably I'm gonna show you that other view also, which is off there, but not on this motorboat. I'm probably gonna take a sailboat, because I haven't experienced a sailboat anytime. Let's have a beautiful experience of the sail. Probably me, my mom, my dad will be catching it. Oh, there is like less people. That is the dockyard, guys. We reached Bob's Dock, and even I'm gonna put a hyperlapse on this video, which you probably could gonna catch it soon, as soon as possible. Oh, that's cool, eh? Like we had a few places. Look, have a look at, guys. Have a look at this place, especially. We reach the destination, the lonely place of Cotonou. So we got a man to assist us to get down with the boat. Cool. Have a look at this, guys. Like, this is a motor which is assisted by us. And even guys, if you could have a look of this stick which is in between, like that's below that there must be the water level, but we could see where are the stags are being seated, like people who are being seated. And now we're gonna experience this bumpy water. We have to cross it. Basically we feel like it's bumpy, like we feel that we are like floating on the water. Like I feel that because I have experienced it for the first time when I have looked into that. Have a look at this sailboat. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cover it totally, guys. Like we got, this is a sleeping sailboat where one person is assisted and another person can be gone, and this is like 4 people. excluding the assisting person, 4 people can go on the sailboat. If you observe this paddling, like which level water, this is 2 single boat, and we got another motorboat right over here. We got a single boating, which is this boat. This 2 things are for the kids, and that is for some the bigger one. We got a single paddling boat right out here. Have a look. Have a proper look. Thus, sanitization is more important. Probably gonna get a sanitization. Pretty good. There are like couple of things which we can probably think as an adventure right out here next to this bay, which has a cool view. Have a look at the sky. Have a look at this scene, because I feel this is a pretty decent thing where a small kids and people can enjoy it. And we got some seesaws, not seesaw, sorry, swings, where there are 3 of them, and I'm gonna show you this most dangerous thing. The alligator, which is situated next to this, yeah, that is alive. Don't think that's a dead alligator. That is purely a live one, guys. We have this local wood which it is made out. Look at this design and stuff of this chairs and things, and this bar, guys. That's the local resorting staple. We got it. That is a kitchen which is not allowed, but I'm zooming it. Would you? Let's capture this thing. This wood and this wooden flooring is purely local, where we got a good view and we got a good stuff out here. It's cute, boy. I probably gonna go to this last table because there's a good scenery, and you can see the thing, and this is the best looking spot of the total Bob's Talk. That is none other than this locally made wooden house with fresh wood, which is brought completely. Have a look at this house, guys. This has a 4 doors. There are 2 rooms up and the 2 rooms down, which is pretty decent, reasonable rate, which is 10,000, I guess, so CFA. Probably we got some 4 gathering table, and you probably could sleep. You can lie down in this nature where you have that exclusive climate that is sustained. So probably this is a better place, having a view or the scenery, and this 3 coconuts, 3 coconut trees, if you probably stand in between, you probably could get a good nature click. So let's have one more to the other side, part 2 of this. But I really recently like this, guys. I like seeing in this thing. There are 2 ways to get in, to hop into this Bob's Jack. That is, one thing is like getting through the water. That is what we saw it right now. And one other thing is, like, we have some plantations. Let's hope into these plantations. I probably don't know whether we are allowed to shoot this video. So this is a pretty good plantation, bro. Like, we have this big trees, and we got some animals too. Let's like have a look at the animals once I get down into the same path. Little monkey right over here, which is inside the cage. And in Africa, these are called as a grey monkey, it seems. Like, I recently asked the owner, like, what are these called as? See, it's enjoying its own world, dude. Monkeys. This is constantly staring at me. See, it's waving its leg when I wave my hand. Hello. It ignored me. And we have one cute. This is female, I guess so. It's not even looking into the video. So, oh, it changed its position. This is basically European cuisine. Like, we are not allowed, but I can show you the exact out view of this. This is basically an European cuisine kitchen, where these people get the food or the stuff from the local, native, fresh and organic. That is what I probably got to know. Like, I have asked the owner, which is living right out here. Again came to the starting, guys. Like, this is a bar counter. Oh, look at these cute flowers. Even we got some donkeys right out here. Hussein is probably enjoying with that monkey. Look at this, guys. Hello. It's staring at the video.